Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, this is my LiftMaster garage door opener. I'm gonna be showing you it today. As you can see, my video's paused, so I had to run over the sensors. But as you can see, this is my LiftMaster garage door opener. This is not 8550. This is a light series. There's my dad with the lawnmower. But I'm not gonna shut it because are you gonna go for the fence or are you in the garage?
Fence here.
All right, I'm gonna close the garage. All right, so turn on that light. All right, I'm gonna shut it now. Here's the real time. It is very quiet. It does make quite a bit of noise, but yeah, it is really quiet. That's one fact. Now I'm gonna open it back up. Here it is opening back up. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna show you it from the outside. Shutting. My dad's fixing the decorations. Here is the LiftMaster belt drive from the outside. Let's put it on the crack real quick. I need something to hold it. I think my scooter will help. That would be in the way though. Alright, sorry about that. I don't want it to take so long to upload. Alright, LiftMaster garage door opener closing. Oh shoot. The finger's going quick. LiftMaster 85, no, not the 8550, but the light opening back up. Can't show you the code. Yay, there we go. There it goes again. This sounds like my grandpa's Craftsman garage door opener where you go like, oh, my dad just started the lawnmower. Alright, I'm gonna shut it now. Oh shoot, I'm supposed in the way. Nope, it shut it perfectly. I'm just gonna leave it open for my dad. But yeah, this is the LiftMaster garage door opener that I have at my house. Oh yeah, and one thing, we have a really big storm coming in again. Wow. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.